How to create a landing page in Kajabi. Hello and welcome back to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a landing page in Kajabi. So please watch until the end to properly understand this tutorial. So you might be wondering, what is Kajabi? Kajabi is the leading all-in-one platform for creator-led businesses. It's designed to help people like you turn their knowledge into a sustainable online business. Whether it's online courses, coaching programs, memberships, or even podcasts, Kajabi offers a wide range of digital products and services. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding expert or worry about complicated plugins or integrations. Let's get into how Kajabi can help you accomplish your impressive business goals now that you are familiar with what it is. We'll categorize it into three main categories: growth, management, and creation. Create. Kajabi empowers you to create various types of content to showcase your expertise. Whether it's interactive online courses, personalized coaching programs, engaging podcasts, or exclusive memberships, Kajabi has got you covered. Grow. With Kajabi's suite of marketing tools and pre-designed templates, you can create captivating content, marketing campaigns, and sales funnels in just minutes. This enables you to reach a broader audience and expand your online presence. Manage. Kajabi simplifies the management of your online business. It comes with a built-in CRM to help you keep track of your customers and leads. You can seamlessly collect payments with integrations like Stripe and PayPal, ensuring a smooth transaction process. And to make informed business decisions, Kajabi provides you with valuable analytics. Let's now discuss the pricing options offered by Kajabi so you can pick the one that best suits your needs as a business and your budget. An online course, coaching program, membership, podcast, and more can be created using a 14-day free trial. In one location, all the tools you require are available. There is no need to be tech-savvy and there are no revenue fees. Absolutely no hassle, money-back guarantee. Growth Plan. This plan is priced at $199 per month. It's perfect for expanding your offerings and growing your audience. With features like 0% transaction fees, 15 products, 15 funnels, unlimited landing pages, and marketing emails, you have all the tools you need to succeed. Plus, you get 25,000 contacts and 10,000 active customers. You'll also enjoy advanced features like affiliate program, 24/7 chat support, and the ability to remove Kajabi branding. We also have the basic plan for just $149 per month. The basic plan is perfect for getting your business up and running. It includes 0% transaction fees, 3 products, 3 funnels, unlimited landing pages, and marketing emails. You'll have 10,000 contacts and 1,000 active customers, which is a phenomenal start for beginners. And the Pro plan, priced at $399 per month, is designed for those looking to scale their business and team with advanced features. It offers, once again, 0% transaction fees, 100 products, 100 funnels, unlimited landing pages, and marketing emails. With 100,000 contacts and 20,000 active customers, you'll have plenty of room to expand. Moreover, you get 3 websites and 25 admin users. The Pro plan also includes a custom code editor for more advanced customization. For those who want to save 20% off, Kajabi offers annual plans. By opting for an annual subscription, you can enjoy all the benefits of your chosen plan while keeping some extra cash in your pocket. Let us now proceed in creating a landing page. Go over here to the left after logging into your Kajabi site and select the Pages tab. Here you can create a pipeline or a landing page for your website. I won't go into pipelines, but they are essentially sales funnel pages, which is yet another fantastic Kajabi feature. We will select landing page, since that is what we will be creating. You have 2 options. Create a completely blank page and put everything together yourself, or use one of the beautiful pages that have already been put together for you. Mind you, if you want to use one of these, you can change any element on these landing pages. It's just a predefined landing page that makes it a little bit easier to do that if you want to change, delete, or add things. There is a lot, and they also have unique opt-in landing pages, coming soon landing pages, and legacy landing pages if you want to click that and see some of the older stuff. Right now, I won't get into that. In order for you to see how simple it is to create a landing page from scratch in just a few minutes, I'm going to create a blank landing page. Let's just create a blank landing page and get going. I'll give it the name tests and click create because I'm not yet sure what I'll call this landing page. That will be uploaded right away. Okay, after everything has been uploaded, you can edit every piece of content. The only basic elements are a title block and a picture block, which I can use or remove. I have the option to keep or remove the title block, which they refer to as the hero section. I'll keep it and edit it. You can edit it on the left by clicking on it and adding or removing items. Okay, let's stick with the 14-day free trial of Kajabi as our theme for this. That's in there. Alright, I'll add a picture right now. When you click on an image, as I mentioned, you can edit it on the left. When adding an image, you can choose to upload an existing file or a new one. You don't need to keep looking through your computer for files if you've already uploaded a number of them. Most likely they are still in the database. But I'm going to use a fresh file for this example. Okay, I've got a picture already. I uploaded that image, and as a result, I have both an image and a title. Amazing stuff. The next thing I need to do is add a button, especially if this is a sales page or an opt-in or sign-up form. Including a button enables users to click it and proceed on to the next step, which could be an offer checkout page, an opt-in form, or anything else. I'll click Add Content on the left to finish this. As you can see, there are various choices available, including audio, accordion, assessment, card, custom code, event, video, and more. It's really convenient because you can click on any of these options to see a preview if you want to see how it appears. You can go back if you change your mind, but the changes won't be saved. The picture, title, and opt-in button are now available. You can include more features if you want to. To add content below the currently selected section, click Add Another section. I included the picture and the call to action in the hero section. I can either go back a little further and add a new section that will primarily contain the same content as the top section, or introduce some new features, or I can keep adding content to it. You can see that I can add a 2-column text, a form, and text here if I want to add a new section. You can view the visual representation of each selection by clicking on it, so I can add more features if I want to. A 3-column layout is also an option. It won't save unless you click Add, so keep that in mind. You can even add a second hero section or a hero and countdown if you like. All of these features are incredibly cool. Feature cards are a good place to put pictures, or you can try the carousel option, which shows off large images that you can scroll through. An event countdown or countdown can also be added. Whatever you're aiming for or the look and feel you want to give to your customers, there's a ton of different stuff in here. In order to highlight various aspects of Kajabi, we'll probably add some features column that don't include any images and are simply 2 or 3 columns of text. After clicking Add, I can edit that. You can see that you can click on each one to edit the text on the left, even though I'm not going to edit them all at once. Then, in order to avoid creating a new section, I'll probably add another button immediately below this one in this section. The same section can now contain a call to action button, just like it did before. You could do it either way. Adding a different section simply adds a little more content separation. To keep things a little bit more organized within sections, You can also do everything within one section, depending on how much content you're adding. What is included in each section compared to what is included outside of these sections in the various features differs, but this is really a matter of personal preference. So guys, this is it. This is the actual form that will be used on the landing page that I made for those who want a 14-day trial of Kajabi. They only need to click the call to action button to go to Kajabi and sign up for their 14-day free trial after easily understanding what it is. I'll probably go back and add a few more features, but I just wanted to show how simple it is to quickly create a landing page and include whatever you want in it to attract visitors to opt in or direct them to your offers. These landing pages can be made in a matter of minutes, and they give your website a really seamless, polished appearance. Use the preview button at the top once your landing page is exactly how you want it, or even if you just want to see how it looks. When you click on that, the landing page as it appears in real time will be displayed. You can check your links to make sure they lead to the intended location, view the layout of the landing page you created, and make sure everything is in order. You can certainly go back and make changes if you want to. So that is how easily you can create a landing page in Kajabi. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you can be updated whenever we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.